how to save automatically your post photos or videos to your phone. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save automatically your videos and post pictures on your phone. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram. Now go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now click on the first option, which is setting. Now click on account and scroll down and click on original post. Now, like you see, I already turned on save post photo and save posted videos. Saving videos to your phone uses more storage space. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.